In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make a level intro text like this. Okay, so what I have right now here is a collision shape, my sprite 2D, which is the Godot icon, and camera 2D, and my script is pretty basic, just like the get input and the move and slide so I can move around. And in my world, I just have a background and a play. The script is just empty right now. So what I want to do first is make a canvas layer node and call it a level intro. Then we're going to get a label. You can call it whatever you want, but I'm just going to leave it as label for now. And I'm just going to put intro text here, and I'm going to put in the middle, in the center. So just for like a temporary thing, just to see where it looks and if it looks good or something. Not. Then we're going to add an animation layer. I accidentally put an animation tree, my bad. We're going to make new animation, I'm going to call it level intro. And it's going to be 2 seconds long and on autoplay. Then at the first, we're going to go, at the first frame, we're going to go on label. And we're going to go to visibility and modulate. I'm going to put it all the way to alpha value, all the way to 0. We're going to put in the key. And then we're going to go to 1 and reset it all the way back to 255. And go to 2 and put it again all the way down to 0. So it just makes a cool little like fade in transition if you look. Just like a really simple thing really. Then we're going to go to our script and we're going to make a new function called level intro text, because we're changing the text. And we're going to get the label node, so put it there and say dot text is equal to get parent dot name. So it gets like the parent's name. And this script is attached to like the player, so it's not going to get the player's name, it's going to get the world's name. And then afterwards, what we want to do is we're going to put this in a physics function, so we actually call it. So I'm just going to put like right here. And then we're going to connect the signal, and so when on the animation play, when an animation has like finished, so animation finished, we're going to just say hide it. And that's pretty much it. We're gonna go, and if you run it now, it's gonna say this thing, level 1. See, just level 1, and now it's like hidden. But another thing we could do is, how about we want to call this like something else? Like let's say this is like gonna be called world, but we wanted to say like level 1, for example. I don't know. We're gonna go to the world script, and we're gonna call it. We're gonna make a thing called add export var level title, which is going to be a string, so we could change it all around we want. So we can say like level 1, we'll actually put like level 2 for example, and we're going to say on the function ready here that its name is going to be changed to like level title, and it's going to be called level 2. We can change this to be like level intro, but yeah, level intro there. And we could just say, I don't know, anything will work actually, so because it's all going to be a string, and that's it. Really simple. I hope you find this useful, I guess, and have a great day.